Yes?
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mrityunjay and I study in DAV Medical. Sir, my question is that how can teenager increase their mind concentration?
Karsa.
This is the
Repeat,
last
huh?
question.
Ka.
Please do not allow any more
Ka.
questions.
Can I repeat, sir?
सोसोको सेन्ट कन्सन्ट्रेट गर्ने क्षेत्र बिजनेस सेन्ट सिन्जन अनि खाने क्षेत्र बिजनेस
I think many of these questions, I think I may say with respect, question out of because of the lack of experience and a lack of realistic sort of thinking. You want everything immediately. Impossible. You see, as I already mentioned, my own case, as a Dalai Lama, from young age, I have all this facility, very good teacher, but real transformation of my mind, my emotion, take, as I mentioned earlier, 40 years, some concept, in order to real change, real effect of my emotion takes 50 years, 60 years. But it shows it's possible to change our emotion. As a result, now 80 years person, physically, except my knees, quite often you see create a problem, but my mind very clear, very peaceful. Through training. All these methods come from India. Your knowledge, we Tibetan, since 8th century, we received teaching from Shanta Rakshita. He was, at that time, one of the top scholar and practitioner of Nalanda University. He invited by Tibetan emperor. Then we kept his teaching over 1,000 years intact. So it's through training. In order to carry training, you need fuller knowledge. For getting knowledge, you must study, not 1 week or few years, through decades, like that. Okay, not
Thank you.
easy. Okay.
Thank you, sir.